In this video, I will show you how to transfer or export only your WordPress site posts from one site to another. So let's get started. We will be transferring the WordPress post from this Alp Desk site to this Contents on WordPress blog site. In Alp Desk we have 3 posts, which we will download to our computer as a XML file. First, Alp Desk Dashboard, Tools tab. And here, I need to select the Export option. And here select only the posts, under Export section. Under Posts, can select the categories, authors of the posts that we want. And here, we need to enter the date from which we want the post from, like the post start date and the post end date. Here, we can select all the post, or only published or drafted post or only scheduled. And download the post export file to our computer. Next, to the other WordPress site, which has only one demo post, as you can see here. Again click Tools tab. Next, click Run Importer link. And here in this page, we need to click this Install Now under WordPress. And again, click Run Importer link in the top. Next we can select and upload the WordPress post exported file into this site. And finally click Submit button to complete the post's upload process in WordPress site. We can go back to the blog posts page and confirm the posts have successfully added in the second WordPress site. And we are done with this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.